Mr. Mark of Rumba Cigars of Marco Suave. Did I say that?
Exactly right. Yes, perfect accent.
Well, we're doing it real big for the 40th anniversary of the Soul Train Awards. And tell us about these cigars.
So I have my new line of Rumba cigars. Just came out about a year ago. It's a 100% Dominican cigar. Real smooth smoke. Good for the ladies, good for people that don't want the heavy taste on their palate after they smoke a cigar. So, like I said, it's very smooth to the palate and you sound like hotcakes.
Hey, papi! Hold on, I just want to show y'all how cool this looks.
You got it, you got it.
Putting it down. Well, wonderful. So, can you find these in most cigar shops?
So right now we're based in Atlanta, and we're in a lot of cigar shops in Atlanta. But I'm also doing some launch, pre-launch, soft launches in other cities. So I'll be coming to a city near you soon.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
And in memory of Heavy D, we're asking everybody, how do you stay fit?
How do I stay fit?
Smoking cigars!
You know, the funny thing is tobacco smoke, cigarette smoke is much more harsh than cigar smoke. Basically because it's all natural. There's no fillers and all the other chemicals that they put in cigarettes are not in cigars. So it is, ironically, it is much better for you. So yeah, definitely smoke a cigar and we'll have a smooth, semi-healthy life.
While you dance the rumba, right?
You got it.
So that's what's up. What's up, ATL? We'll be right back.
Can't see what I can see.